So guys, inside this video I want to train you on how to use this particular indicator. So I will only make this video for you to explain, to get how it works and how this thing work perfectly for you to catch up your trade successfully in every pair that you are. So I'm going to use just only 2 pair as a sample. Now I'm going to use boom 500 and I'm going to use step index on 5-minute time frame. So one of the things that you need to first notice is that you have to first see that we have a 9 here, we have the 80 level here, and we have a 20 level here. When our trend is moving above 80 level and you discover that you have a downtrend arrow at this particular time, as you can see now. Now maybe the trade of the market moved to this area before the arrow appear here. Now it moved from this, it moved to this particular area before this arrow here appear. So immediately this arrow appear, this is what you are going to do. Now you will now go to 30 minutes. You will mark that particular place where the arrow is. You mark it, and you will also go to 30-minute time frames. Don't forget this is 5-minute time frames. You will go to 30-minute time frames and zoom it out. And you are going to what? You are going to zoom it out for you to what? To see. This is the 9 on what? On 5-minute time frame. You can see what the 9 say here. It's exactly, this is where the arrow appear on 5-minute time frames. And what you are going to see next is that you are going to see a engulfing candle. You are going to see a engulfing candle next. You are going to see, we see 1, 2, 3. Before we move to this our moving average of 20. You see this is moving average. You can see 1, 2, 3 on this moving average. Now your entry is going to be above below this moving average of 20. You see, so exactly on this our 9 will have turned to orange color at this particular area. That is how to trade this thing successfully. So let's go back to 5-minute time frame so that you can see it very well. I want to only make this video on this particular pair so that you can understand. You see now, this is exact place where your entry is going to be, somewhere around there, and your market is going to go down. Don't forget that before you can take any trade, it must above the 80 level. And once it's above the 80 level, and once your trade is once your 9 is turning to orange at this particular time, then your candle appear here. Once your candle appear, then go to 30 minutes time frames. Then zoom it out and check for a Gaussian candle here. So once you check it, you will discover that we also have our 9 above the 80 level here. Same thing happen here. Same thing that happened on the 5-minute time frames happen on the 30-minute time frame. You see the trend also move on the above 80 level. So once it move above the 80 level, then check for the engulfing candle that you can see here. You can see that. So we have it before it reach our 20 moving average. Then you begin your trade down. So let me show you on this boom 500. You can see that we have our trend at this particular area. Our arrow appear here, and our 9 turned to green at this particular area. It turned to green at this particular area. So once your arrow appear, what are the things that you are going to do? Then you go to, you know that the trade is it has gone below the 20 level at this particular area. You can see that it is below 20 level. That is the first step. And you now go to 30-minute time frames to confirm the trade. Also you must see your 9 also in below the 20 level. That's where you're supposed to see your 9. That's where you are going to see your 9. And immediately your arrow appear at this particular area. This is what you are going to do. You are going to look for a Gaussian candle. You can see what happened here. We have the 1, 2, 3 at this particular area before the little pullback, before the market go on a large trend, as we can see here. You see that?